Hello guys, welcome back. So today also we are going to discuss one of very important concept in the Principle of Measurement International book. So we call as a POMI. So we know very well the mechanical engineering installation measurement rules starting from the section Q. So under the section Q, you can notice there's a subsection Q1.2. It says one of the measurement idea and strategy. It's called as the location basis measurement practice. So what is the location basis? So in the same concept, you can also see in the section R, the electrical engineering installation also. There is a subsection R1.2. It's also mentioned location basis measurement practice. So what is the location basis? So what is the idea and strategy inside this location basis, the measurement practice something? So we will discuss very deeply through the session. Alright, so first off I am going to read in this clause Q1.2. Okay, the installation shall be measured in accordance with the relevant clauses in the section. So if you want to measure any other mechanical related items, so you have to focus only the section Q. Okay. Then it says the very important term alternatively mean, so if you are not follow in the section, so you can also measure another way, okay, for the mechanical engineering item. They say it like this: they may be enumerated on location basis. So if you are reading in this section, a little bit confused will occur. So just I am going to elaborate in the section like this way. First off, this is our general practice BOQ format. Okay, this is one of mechanical engineering installation related BOQ format. So we also follow like this practice. Right. First off, I am just saying some important things through the BOQ. You can see there's a mechanical engineering installation under this topic. Domestic cold and hot water supply system. So under the heading there's a pipe work. There's a term is the pipe work. Okay. Then there's the proper description, supply installation of the ABS class C pipes, including necessary installation, fittings, supports and accessories in accordance with the drawings and specification. Then they mention actually we are going to discuss only for the pipe. Okay. Right, then they break down like this: 15 diameter, 20 diameter, 25 diameter, and also 30 to 40, 100, something like this. All right. So just assume this is for the ground floor only. Okay, just assume like this. All right. So now I am going to focus the right side BOQ. Okay, there's a heading mechanical engineering installation. So same heading, this one left and right. Then domestic hot and cold water supply system. Okay, so there's the same heading. And also the pipe works for the ground floor. Same pipe works here, left side also, right and left side the same work. Right. In the left side you can see this the pipe work. It's for only the cold water. Okay, cold water apartment distribution line. So you can read in this description the right side: supply and installation of the ABS class E cold water apartment distribution pipe, including all the necessary installation, fittings, supports and also the accessories in accordance with the drawing and specification. All right. So the major difference, okay, the major difference is they put the right side BOQ, they include all these, okay, all this the pipe breakdown like description wise. They mention water apartment distribution pipe, like there's it's include there is 15 millimeter, 20 millimeter, 25, 32 like this. But there's no more any other detailed breakdown. They put like this: the quantity is 1, the unit is item, the rate is, there's the lump sum price 247,000. Okay, and also you can see the right the left side there's each and every pipes there's a detailed breakdown, and also the units, meters, and quantity detailed breakdown quantities, and also the rate. Right. Now you can understood the right side BOQ and also the left side BOQ. So the same concept, but there's a different way to introduce the elements or the item. Actually, the two BOQ formats are correct. Okay, so the left side it's a detailed breakdown BOQ, and the right side it's also called as the location based BOQ. So it's correct. Actually, this total value of the pipe installation it's 247. Okay, it's the same value it's coming through the lump sum price. All right, so why we have to produce like this BOQ, the right side BOQ? Okay, so there's a very important reason in the tendering stage. So we will discuss that one. Before discuss this reason, the standard method of measurement POMI says this location basis the measurement practice BOQ format is it's a right side BOQ. Okay, so the another way is this is our general practice BOQ. So this also it's correct, but this is also different. We can also produce a BOQ like this format. Okay, so the location basis mean that is a concept, so it is a lump sum prices, so we have to include all the items together. Okay, there's no more any other detailed breakdown. So this is a location basis concept. So the same concept you can also implement in the electrical item also. All right, so let's discuss why we have to produce like this the location based BOQ format. So the answer is just imagine you are the client, you have to issue one tender package very urgent basis. So that is the scenario and real situation of this concept. So you have to issue one tender package very urgently, so you don't have any time period to produce the very detailed BOQ something like this. So that's the case, the client issued like this location based very short BOQ format, but the detailed description it's also available, and also you will receive very proper all the scopes drawings, so you can find out all the drawings for the ground floor something. So the contractors, it's a huge risk. Okay, the contractor take the huge risk, and he take the quantities, then he produce the rates, and finally they are going to put their own prices in the BOQ. So it is a very the risk-free procedure to the client. So that's the main concept, and also the client can easily evaluate tender submission from the various contractors. So it is very easy analysis method also. So these are the very important main reasons why we have to produce like this location-based BOQ formats.